Morning, boomers. Give you a little update on that clamp piece that we're making. We're just about through with the slide bracket. Now, like I said in the first video about this piece, it'd be a whole lot easier to just toss it in trash. I mean, it's a cheap little clamp, but I love this shit. You know what I mean? This is what we do. Filling trash can up with old tools, just not how we roll, yo. We fixed the damn thing. Oh, and I got a question on the last one from somebody about the wedding ring. I don't know if you can see that. It's Hawaiian koa wood and meteorite crushed, blended in the same ring. Somebody asked what that sparkle was. That's meteorite. Kind of a unique find. One of those antique shop finds. But anyway, we're just about through with this bracket. We're going to have this thing cleaned out and we'll put the second finish on it. Give it its final sand. At the moment, we're just adjusting that fit. This is a Maracne. Awesome workshop tool. I bought them in a set of 2. Keep one in a camping bag. Keep one out here in the shop. Very nice, high carbon, 6-inch blade. Razor sharp. Run it on the strop a few times. Makes a great little workshop knife. Look them up. Swedish or Swiss. But anyway. The bracket's just about ready to go. We just about got it fit. We're getting there. That's how she's going to fit. Eventually. I need a few more minutes of cleaning on the inside to get it done. But that's the update. Later, boomers, and Merry Christmas.